Okay, these are the things that I purchased that I really didn't eat before, but I did use, but I used for other purposes. Canola oil in the can, just spray. Olive oil. I just started cooking with olive oil. I used to use olive oil for my skin and for my hair, but now I'm starting to eat it. What else? Best for breakfast. Old-fashioned oatmeal. It's not the minute kind. Darn it. It's actually the 5-minute kind. So 5 minutes and you have oatmeal. What I add to this, since I'm diabetic, I have to use real butter. So I use just a little bit of brown sugar. If not brown sugar, just a little bit of the butter, and that's it. And that's usually a small bowl. I always have eaten wheat bread, but I changed it to a different wheat, which is 100% wheat bread. So now I've done that. Other things that I've changed, I've eaten more tuna. So the tuna that I get is solid tuna, and it looks like that. Also eat more vegetables. Let me take you to my fridge. Things that are in my refrigerator. Okay. I have some chicken wings, which I will bake. I have frozen vegetables. Chicken breast. Frozen vegetables. Catfish. This is frozen fruit. What else? Let's see, what else did I change? I also use turkey, ground turkey, which I always used. Now, as far as the bottom, as far as the condiments I use mayonnaise. Let me take this off. Okay. Now I use mayonnaise. Italian dressing. I can eat any kind of mustard that I want, so I decided to get spicy brown mustard. And I also have yellow mustard, so that works. I don't do the jellies and jam, that's for my daughter. Like I say, I use real butter with or without salt, so I have both. Unsalted. I also got some Caesar salad dressing. This is the kind of juice that I drink. Grape. And I have pomegranate down here. And I use some chicken broth with no MSG. Orange juice, regular orange juice. And I love tomatoes, so I eat lots of tomatoes. I eat the grilled chicken bites. I'm really not an egg eater, so I have to buy substitute, which are egg whites. So I eat that. I eat Jell-O for breakfast. I have watermelon. It looks like that. More Jell-O. more Jello. Also, sometimes I eat yogurt for breakfast. So for breakfast, I usually have yogurt or Jello and a cup of juice and my vitamins. If I get hungry about 2, I usually grab some watermelon or juice. Nothing too heavy for dinner. And then I'll try to eat dinner before 8 o'clock. So far I think I've been doing good. Like I say, I have lost some weight, a lot of weight, and that's pretty much the regimen of my eating. I don't eat any more macaroni or shells and cheese. I don't eat any more white or dark rice, which I can't eat brown rice, but I just haven't had any. Or ate any. I have some, but I haven't cooked any. I've laid off pork. And that's pretty much it. Those are the things I've been doing. Things that I have not been doing are exercising. So I'm going to increase my exercise. So I'm going to start dancing more. I'm going to just periodically dance for 30 minutes to 45 minutes to move it up to an hour, 2 hours a day. So that's my new thing. And that's about it. So I'll see you at SSBBW to Healthy BBW. So rate, comment, subscribe. You all have a great one.